How to add Snapchat filters to existing photos. So let's get right into the video. First thing first, you have to make sure that your application Snapchat is up to date. If not, head over to your App Store and then update your application to the latest version. Once your application is up to date, the next thing you want to do is open the app. Make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Now what you want to do is swipe up the screen and it will land you on the page where all of your memories are saved. At the top, you can see 4 different categories: Home, Camera Roll, Stories, and My Eyes Only. You can head over to any of the section that you want to, and from there, choose any of the picture that you want to add the filters. Let me select one of the picture from Memories. So let's say I want to add the filters to this picture. In order to do so, tap on this 3 dot at the top right corner. Click on Edit Snap. At the bottom, you can see tons of different filters are available. You can simply swipe left or swipe right in order to change the filter. From here, you can choose any of the filter that you like. Once you have set the specific filter, tap on Send To at the bottom right corner of the screen. If you want to save it on your gallery, tap on Download, and it will be successfully saved. You can also send this snap to your friends. After that, you will be good to go. So this is simply how you can add Snapchat filters to existing photos. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.